Hi everybody, I'm Martijn Otten from AV Flexologic and Tech Sleeves. And I'm here with the FAMM 3.0 and I'm about to show you a very exciting new software feature which makes it a lot easier to enter the information for the plate and create the recipes for the jobs to mount on the FAMM. So before you had to basically measure a lot and do a lot of math to do all the coordinates. And we've actually derived a version of our Easymount software for our SAMs into the FAMM for basically making it very easy to enter the job. So what I have to do, press insert, and I get a menu. As you can see here, I can fill in job name, repeat, the width, amount of colors, then the plate width, which you basically is the distance between the marks, number of plates, the stagger, and then the distance between the plates. And I'm gonna do that and fill it in. And it will actually automatically then create the job. So, job name, my name, Martijn. Then repeat 500, the width, the amount of colors, the plate width I've measured, that is 432 millimeters. Then number of plates, we're gonna do 2 plates across. Then automatically calculates the stagger. And then the distance between the plates, which we also calculated, is already 500 millimeters. Distance from the edge, that's not needed, but it's for basically the edge from the distance from the edge of the plate to the first mounting mark. It's not necessary because the machine can also find that mounting mark by itself. So that's basically optional. Top and bottom height, basically from the center line to the top and the bottom. That's calculated automatically. You can also fill it in if you have repeat marks on the top and the bottom of the plate. But if you don't have it, it's basically dividing the repeats by 2. And then starting X position is possible, or it centers it automatically. So yeah, very easy to create the job. And here you can see the amount of colors, and it's 2 colors per plate, automatically staggered. So really very easy way to do this, and yeah, basically saving minutes, if not more, per job, and also making it a lot easier for the operator to enter the information without mistakes, without calculation mistakes, eventually reducing operator dependency, time spent on the machine, and also potential press downtime issues. So that was it in a nutshell. Reach out to us if you have a FAMM that you want to have it installed on your machine. If you have an AVF maintenance contract, you will get it obviously automatically updated as well. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. We'll see you later.